In this video, I'm going to show you how to check search volume on Helium 10. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your Helium 10 account, and then you want to hover over products up here, go to find keyword to drive traffic, and then you want to launch the magnet via this button over here. So again, you want to launch the magnet. There we go. It's going to take you to their keyword research tool. And then you want to go ahead and just look for a keyword you would like to see the search volume of. So for example, let's say I'm going to type in pencil and I'm going to click on get keywords and I'm going to run a new search. Already have done that though. And then it's going to basically show me a bunch of different filters up here. It's going to show the total search volume on Amazon, as you can see. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the search volume for each and every single individual keyword phrase. Okay, so as you can see over here, there's the search volume. You can always click on this button over here to kind of see the graph over time. And then you can scroll down and see that for every single one of these. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.